Jobas, siya ang global number 2 Freya. Ang rank niya ngayon ay Mythical Immortal na may 102 stars at meron siyang 81% win rate kay Freya. Sa video na ito ipapakita ko sa iyo kung anong item at emblem ang gamit niya kay Freya ngayong season 32. Para sa kanyang full build, first item, top boots, Blade of Despair, Malefic Roar, Endless Battle, Berserker's Fury, and Immortality. Para naman sa kanyang emblem, gumagamit siya ng assassin na may Fatal, Weapon Master, and Quantum Charge. Narito ang highlights kung paano niya gamitin si Freya sa rank game.
Enemy missing. You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. You have slain an enemy. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain. Sorry. Mega kill. Double kill. Initiate retreat. Monster kill. Killing spree. Shut down. Double kill. Double kill. Legendary. An enemy has been slain.